talk to you about jumpsuits, and more specifically casual jumpsuits. So when we look at our wardrobe and our clothes, or we see something we like, do we think more broadly about how many ways we can wear it? Or do you look at something and just say, that would be really good for this occasion, or that would be really good for that occasion? If you kind of looked at more in depth at how you could play around with a certain item, you would get absolutely so much more wear out of it. And I recently treated myself to this, and I love it because it's really practical for during the day, and it's just one item, which is what is fantastic about jumpsuits. They are super comfortable to wear, and it's one thing, so you don't have to think too hard about what you're putting on in the mornings. And then I started thinking more about, okay, so I've put it on as I normally do. How am I going to bring it to life? Because it is just like a charcoal jumpsuit, but I want to inject my personality into it. So this morning I have been out with my kids, and I just added a little something to it to just make it stand out. Let me find it. Look, see, I've put it down now. I always look like I'm really prepared, don't I? And then something always happens. So I've got this really cheery necklace, and I just popped it on. And it just creates something completely different to the look. Your eye is drawn automatically to your neck. What I love about this jumpsuit as well is, at the moment, carrying a little bit of weight. I still don't feel like I managed to lose my baby weight from having Elsie, and now being in lockdown, the two have collided, and I seem to have like builder's belly, a small one granted, but it's there. So I really like how this kind of like just skims you, but it's elastic, so it does pull in at the same time. So it doesn't drown you. You still got a bit of definition. What I've also done as well is I've rolled up the sleeves, because for me, these were way too tight. I'm just going to show you. There. So it just kind of makes it more casual, and also some bright socks on, but I've rolled up the bottom. They just kind of, yeah, I just kind of made it a bit more relaxed. So yeah, I've got my necklace on, I've rolled up my sleeves, and I've turned up the bottom. But then I kept it really simple, and this was more to do with the weather and how warm it is today, rather than being anything clever to do with my outfit. I've just put on some oh god, she's not as flexible as she used to be. I just put my chunky black boot on, and I really like the turn up with the boots, because you've got the Chelsea boot on this. It just, by rolling up the legs, you can see like the definition of the boot, and so it just brings more textures again into the look. That doesn't seem like a big deal, right? Something as tiny as the texture on a Chelsea boot, but these are all little things that create your look compared to someone else's look. And so this is why it pays to start thinking about how you would wear something, how you can play around with it. I'm so out of breath from putting my shoes on. That is terrible. And then kept it really dark today, which isn't really like me lately. I'm like really enjoying playing around with colour. But that was my look today. That's it. So it's really comfortable, really practical, and I think all the different, although it's all black, all the different textures kind of like blend and just make the outfit pop. What you could do, I didn't do this. So this is like my last minute thoughts now. When I start putting outfits together and I get all excited about Oh, goodness me. Get all excited about showing you different things. Get a contrasting colour bag. So what you could do, if you get yourself a bright necklace, pick a colour out of it, if that helps you. So if it helps you, if we're not sure what we're doing with regards to putting colours together, pick a colour out of like a t-shirt or the necklace, and then you can just add it as an accessory, and off you go. Ta-da! So what do we think about jumpsuits? Do we like them, or do we worry about the thought of having to get to the toilet really quickly? I would really love to know your thoughts. I'm going to do another couple of outfit idea videos with regards to the jumpsuit, because I want to show you how versatile they are, but I don't want to bombard you with lots of information all at once. So this is look 1. Let me know what you think and take care. I will see you soon. Bye.